Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your carrier APN values, and that your SIM is active. Once confirmed, go straight to Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Make sure to open Advanced and select Access Point Names. You're not changing anything yet, you're simply preparing to add a new APN. This step matters because Android uses these entries for data and MMS routing. If you don't see access point names, make sure airplane mode is off and the SIM is recognized. Now you create the APN. Tap Add or the three-dot menu and choose New APN, then carefully enter each carrier value. Type the name and APN exactly as provided, fill MMSC and MMS proxy for multimedia, and confirm proxy and port only if specified. For MCC and MNC, use the numeric codes, choose authentication type and APN type per instructions. Once all fields match, use the menu save command. This preserves the profile, so Android can use it for mobile data. Finally, select the APN you just saved, tap it so a dot shows next to the name, and toggle mobile data off and on to force a refresh. Test by loading a web page, sending an MMS, and watching the signal indicator for data activity. If connectivity fails, reboot your phone and reselect the APN. As a single troubleshooting tip, if things go wrong, recheck every value character for character. Then use reset to default APNs, or call the carrier for the precise strings and any required authentication settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.